Hello, my friends. Welcome all of you in my YouTube channel, Dr. Pravish Saini Homeopathy. And today here I will discuss about a common health problem known as piles hemorrhoid. Piles hemorrhoid. What is the piles? What is symptoms of piles? Why the piles develop? And what is the treatment in homeopathy for piles? So please subscribe my YouTube channel and watch it continue till the end. So let's start, friends. Friends, what is piles? First we come here. The subject is piles. Piles are swollen rectal veins. And rectal veins, as you know, the veins are all over in our body, and veins drainage impure blood to heart. As you know, the oxygenated blood carry arteries, and deoxygenated blood carried by the veins, and all over body there are veins. As you can see here, these are veins. Veins are superficial and internal, and the rectal veins drain the impure blood from rectum. Whenever rectal veins swollen, it swelling known as piles hemorrhoid. And symptoms of rectal vein swelling such as pain in rectum during defecation, and it can last up to 3 to 4 hours. Second thing is that sometimes these rectal veins may be ruptured, causes bleeding known as bleeding piles, and it may be internal piles or external piles. So this is piles. The varicosity of rectal veins is known as hemorrhoid or piles. Symptoms are itching, pain, bleeding. And what is the causes of the piles? We come here, the causes of piles. It is the most important part of this video, because if we know the what is the causes, then we can easily treat our problems. So let's know the causes of the piles. Friends, as you know that every food which can cause constipation can produce piles. As you know, constipation, whenever our stool not pass or stool may be hard, the condition may arise piles. Whenever we constipated, we apply pressure on our rectum to defecate stool, to evacuate our intestine, and this condition, pressure on the rectal veins, causes swelling of rectal vein. This is known as piles. And whenever the hard stool passes through the rectum, it tears rectal veins superficial lining, that causes bleeding, and this is known as bleeding piles. So everything which can cause constipation can cause piles. So avoid these food things like fast food or food which is lack of fibers. Avoid these things in your food. So friends, this is the causes of piles. And last thing is that what is the homeopathic medicine for the bleeding piles or piles? There are lot of medicine in piles. Blind piles are non-bleeding piles, and bleeding piles are bleeding piles, as already I told you. So friends, we come here the medicine for piles. One thing is more important. We have to differentiate piles is bleeding or non-bleeding. Blind piles can be very painful. It lodges in our rectum, swollen varicose vein causes pain in rectum. If pain is severe, medicine is the piles on showing piles examination. When we examine the piles are bluish in color and very painful in nature, and pain is like stitching pain, like needle are piercing into rectum. The choice of medicine is aloes socotrina and aesculus. The symptoms for aesculus is rectum feel as that lots of needles are accumulated in rectum, so severe pain and itching, uneasiness. The medicine is aesculus. We can use starting the potency 30 and later on we again and again higher potency. We use higher potencies. If piles is due to our sedentary lifestyle, we use alcohol, we are smokers, we are eating so much spicy fatty food and causes our GIT problems such as constipation and over late night sleeping also cause constipation. In the sedentary lifestyle, medicine is Nux vomica. And again we come here on the bleeding piles. If bleeding piles is painless, the choice of medicine is Hamamelis mother tincture. If bleeding piles with pain and lot of pain, the medicine is acid nitric 30 potency. Severe pain like needles are stitches in rectum. And last medicine colonsonia 30 potency in the bleeding piles with painfulness. And दोस्तों, let's come here to avoid piles. How we can avoid the piles in our life, in our health? We have to change in lifestyle, such as early wake up, evacuate our intestine properly, avoid all food things which can cause constipation, eat lots of vegetables, lots of plenty of drinking water, avoiding of alcohol, smoking, fast food and eating lots of fruits. We can stay away from piles. Friends, if you like this video, please comment, share it in your WhatsApp group. This is especially for Indian outside from India and all the which cannot understand Hindi. Friends, it's my little effort to make a video in English. As you know, we Indians are not habitual to speak English regularly. We speak in general, our patient, most of the patients are Indians and they are speaking Hindi most commonly. So this is my first effort to make a first video in English without any proper previous homework. It's just come in mind to make a video on the piles and I started to recording it. If you like it, if you appreciate my this work, my action, please subscribe my YouTube channel and share it in your WhatsApp group, especially the Indians, NRIs and friends. Once again, I will like to thankful all of you to spend your time, your precious time on this video, and you can comment if you have any health related issue, health problem. You can comment in the box, chat box, Again I will come here with a new topic for you. So friends, thank you to watching this video. Thank you very much.